Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you all are very good. Today I am going to discuss how you can speak English language continue without stop, because many people they could not speak this language continue, and that's why I want to talk about this topic. But before start the video, I want to say to every each of one, please watch my video till the end, because this video is going to help you to understand how you can speak continue without get stopped. And if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss how you can speak continue in English language without get stopped. Many people they could not speak this language continue. Why it's happened to us? Why we could not speak this language continue? It's happening with me also. Sometimes I could not speak the way how I want. I got stuck and I don't know what I should say and what I should not say. It's happening with me and I get so sad. It's really hard because I have been practiced for a long time, but still it's happening with me. So how can we speak this language continue without get stopped? What we exactly need to do? I think the most important thing that we need to find someone who we can talk with. And we get so scared. In that part, we get so scared to talk with somebody. We don't want to talk with anyone. But if you are serious about learning English language, then you need to find somebody. And I know you are an advanced learner and you want to improve your English language. Do it, bro. I have to do it. I also have to do that because I also get stuck. I could not speak continue. Sometimes it's happening with me also. Although I have a partner, but I think I need to talk with them more. If you don't have any partner, find someone who has same interest like you, who also wants to improve their English language, and talk with them every single day. It really doesn't matter how much you watch English videos, how much you study about English language. Unless you practice with somebody, I think you cannot speak this language continue without get stopped. Maybe you can understand everything about English, you can understand what other people are talking, you can think in English very well, but when it comes to speak, you cannot speak the way how you want. You got stuck. It's happening with everyone. Everyone is facing that problem. You have to find somebody and talk with them. That is so important, bro. That is very important. I feel like that is important. We have to find somebody who has same interest like us, who also wants to improve their English language. If we talk with them every single day with continue, I think it will be improved and we can talk in English language without get stopped. Yes, we have to work hard, because without working hard, we cannot achieve the success what we want. I know some people they think that they don't need to work that hard to achieve success in life. You have to pay the price, bro. If you want to achieve something in life, you have to pay the price for that, because without paying the price, you cannot achieve the thing what you want out of your life. It is not possible. You have to sacrifice something what is not important right now. What's important to you? Ask this question to yourself. What's important to you? Your goal, improving your English language, or spending time with something what's not important to you? I know you know the answer. I know what you are going to choose. You want to improve your English language, but still lots of people they don't take it seriously. They don't practice to talk with somebody. They don't do it at all. Sometimes we get so scared to talk with somebody. We think that people are going to laugh at us if we make mistakes. Don't care what people think about you. What you are thinking about yourself, that is matter. Stop thinking about other people and start to think about yourself. How much important to you to work on your dream? How much important to you to become the person who you want to become in life? No matter if you make mistakes, no matter if you fail in life, because those are the part of journey. You have to be fail to order to achieve success. You have to go through lots of setbacks. You have to go through lots of disappointment, because it is natural to achieve the things what you want, bro. Without working hard or without paying something for what you want to achieve in life, you cannot get the things what you want out of your life. You have to pay the price for that. The most important thing right now, if you want to speak continue without get stopped, then talk with people. If you want to speak continue in English language, you have to practice to talk with another persons. that is going to help you. I think that is going to help you. Thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification. Today's for that. I will be back very soon.